Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you if your rear wiper doesn't work on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008 to 2017, guys, how to fix that. Most likely it's a fuse. Check the fuse first. Could be the motor, could be another bad connection, something like that, but always start checking electrical problems by checking the fuse first. This is the most important thing. So we'll show you guys, if that doesn't work, okay, how to fix it. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it straight out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. So once you remove the glove box, okay, we need to locate fuse number. Okay, let me see now. 10, 11, 12, 13. Fuse number 13. It's 15 amp fuse. This one right here. Okay, so we're going to replace this fuse. Okay, it's a blue fuse, 15 amp, and replace it with a new one. Push it all the way in. Okay, and now let's go ahead and test the wiper to see if it's going to work now. Okay, you need to have the ignition on and pull the lever towards you. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Yep, works perfectly fine. So we can even get the water going. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.